What did the chief say? He wants to show you how the jaguaros hunt. With this hollow bone and blow dart, they hunt silently. The dart is dipped in a sleep-inducing potion derived from the local plants. They just aim and blow. You mean like this, Ma? Uh-oh. I wonder what effect that'll be. Chief says he's not really sure. Oh, trees. I just love me some trees. Hooray, more hiking. Chief says he will take us to see the valley now. So here we are. Just over that ridge, machines are ready to clear-cut the entire valley now.
What's this I hear of those environmentalist do-gooders snooping around my valley, Muzzle? You're my project manager, now manage this.
I'm on it, Mr. Brickjaw. They can't make a move in the valley without me knowing about it. Let's just say I'll have this wrapped up shortly.
Target in sight.